plenty in northeastern Illinois until 9:30 p.m. At 8:22 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Minooka to 7 miles east of Streeter, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Joliet, Hammond, Henry Park, Calumet City. Homewood, Madison, Mokina, Frankfort, Shanahan, Minooka, Cedar, Braidwood, Wilmington, Pierce Homes were located along a line extending from near Minooka to 7 miles east of Streeter. 60 miles per hour wind gusts and wind damage to roof. Madison, locations detected include Henry Park, cafeteria room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for northeastern Illinois. Dyer, Hazel Crest, and Richton Park. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in the sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for northeastern Illinois.
Find anything on taking communion.